That's it.
Do it.
Don't touch him with that.
Do it.
You're gonna rip his feathers out. Do that.
Leave it on.
Get Frank's like, he's not gonna hear you shit.
Wait.
No! Oh, shh. Oh, you fucking broke that shit. You